similar figures. Okay, now this one's still the same thing. There's just one little thing that is different, but it's basically the same thing we've been doing. So we're gonna go ahead and write figure 1, figure 2. Up here I'm gonna write figure 1 and I'm gonna label it. So P, Q, R, T. Okay, corresponds with figure 2, K, L, M, and N. And again, I'm just getting it from here. Okay, so now the reason it's a little bit different is because if you notice that your answer choices, they have X's and they have Y's. So we're going to do something a little different. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out who the X first. So here's my X in figure 1. So I'm going to put X corresponds with, so it's Q and P, or PQ right here, goes with KL. So KL, I'm sorry. So here. So QP corresponds with KL. So corresponds with 8.91. Okay, so remember how it could be X goes next to the corresponding side, or it could go at the bottom. Okay, but it can never go across. So I'm going to look right here. I know X goes with 8.91. I forgot the 1. So it's not next to it. It's not underneath it. So that cannot be my answer. Okay, here they do X. They do have X goes with 8.1 here. Okay, so then I have to see if this matches. Okay, so then I'm going to look at the 4.112. It's 4.12. So 4.112 is R and T, goes with M and N. M and N. Okay, so 412 corresponds with Y. Is that what I have here? No. So then this one's not corresponding or is not proportional. Okay, so now we're going to do the Y's because there's also a Y. All right, so I'm going to erase this really quick. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use a different color that I haven't used. Okay, so this time Y corresponds with, I already have it in green. Sorry, let me go back and do green then. So Y goes with MN, which is RT, 412. Okay, so that means that Y has to have 412 either at the bottom or left of it, or sorry, right of it. It doesn't, so that one doesn't work. Now this one it does. Y does go with 412. So now I need to check if 9 and 3 go together. So I'm going to find 9. And here's my 9, which is KN. So K and N, that means it goes with P and T. So 3. So 9 goes with 3. And that tells me that that is true because 9 does go with 3. So then that's my answer. So the only thing that is different on this one is you're looking either for X or Y. And I know earlier, I think it was on example 2, I was saying how corresponding sides can be next to each other or underneath it. And this was a good example for you to see that. So if you can just write down like what the corresponding side is and see if it's next to it or at the bottom. And then you can check the other one. All right, now go ahead and do example 6 and make sure that you show your work and correspond in your Google form. Thank you.